Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 14/21 to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 14/21. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction without leaving a remainder. For 14 and 21, that's 7. We start by dividing 14 by 7, which gives us 2. Then we divide 21 by 7, which results in 3. So, simplifying 14/21, we end up with 2/3, which is the fraction in its simplest form and cannot be reduced any further. It's important to note that both the original fraction 14/21 and the simplified fraction 2/3 have the same decimal value, which is approximately 0.6667. This demonstrates that simplifying a fraction does not change its inherent value but makes it easier to understand and use. So, there you have it. The fraction 14/21 simplified to its simplest form is 2/3, and in decimal form, it's about 0.6667. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.